The holidays are here, the air is filled with joy, laughter, and the spirit of giving. It's the perfect time for parties, family gatherings, and feeling your absolute best. Whether you're catching up with old friends or making new memories with loved ones, you want to look and feel amazing. What better way to boost your confidence than with a fresh, stylish haircut? A visit to the salon can be just the thing you need to elevate your holiday spirit. A new haircut can be transformative. It's not just about changing your look, it's about embracing a new version of yourself. It can make you feel like a new you, ready to sparkle and shine throughout the season. Imagine walking into a room and turning heads with your stunning new style. Think of your hair as an accessory, one you wear every single day. It's a reflection of your personality and a statement of your style. A great haircut will not only complement your features, but also reflect your personality and style. It's an expression of who you are and how you want the world to see you. This holiday season, dare to try something new and exciting. Step out of your comfort zone and embrace a bold new look. A little change can go a long way in making you feel confident and ready to celebrate. It's amazing how a simple haircut can uplift your mood and boost your self-esteem. Remember, confidence is the best accessory you can wear. It radiates from within and enhances everything about you. A new haircut is the perfect way to embrace the festive spirit and step into the holidays feeling and looking your absolute best. It's a small change that can make a big difference, so go ahead, treat yourself to a confidence boost this holiday season. You deserve to feel fabulous and ready to take on all the festivities with a smile. Choosing the right holiday haircut is a personal journey, one that can be both exciting and a bit daunting. Think about what makes you feel fantastic and confident. What kind of image do you want to project this holiday season? Is it sophisticated and timeless or fun and trendy? Do you want something classic and elegant, or are you feeling bold and adventurous? Maybe a mix of both. Browse magazines, scroll through online platforms like Pinterest, and take note of hairstyles that catch your eye. Inspiration can come from anywhere. Consider your face shape, hair texture, and lifestyle. These factors play a crucial role in how a haircut will look and feel on you. A good haircut should not only look amazing, but also be manageable for everyday wear. After all, you want to enjoy your new look without too much fuss. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone a little. Sometimes a small change can make a big impact. A skilled stylist can guide you towards a look that enhances your best features and makes you feel like a star. Trust their expertise and creativity. Remember, the holidays are a time for joy and celebration, so embrace the opportunity to try something new and exciting with your hair. Whether it's a subtle change or a dramatic transformation, make it a season to remember. A visit to the salon should be an enjoyable and relaxing experience, a moment to unwind and treat yourself. Before your appointment, gather inspiration photos of haircuts you love. Browse through magazines, social media, or even ask friends for recommendations. This will help you communicate your vision effectively with your stylist, ensuring they understand exactly what you're looking for. During your consultation, be open about your hair goals and any concerns you might have. Whether it's about the length, color, or texture, share your thoughts. A good stylist will listen carefully to your needs and offer expert advice to achieve the look you desire. They might suggest tweaks to better suit your face shape or lifestyle. Our salon prides itself on providing personalized service and creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere. From the moment you step in, you'll feel at home. We believe that everyone deserves to feel pampered and confident, especially during the holiday season. It's a time to shine and feel your best. Our team of skilled stylists is dedicated to helping you achieve your hair goals and leave the salon feeling refreshed and radiant. We're here to make your vision a reality every time you visit. Congratulations on your fabulous new haircut. Now, let's keep it looking its best throughout the holiday season. Ask your stylist for personalized advice on hair care products and styling techniques that will enhance your new look. Invest in high-quality shampoos, conditioners, and styling products that are specifically designed for your hair type. Regular trims are essential for maintaining the shape and style of your haircut. Remember, confidence is key. When you feel good about your hair, it shows. So embrace your new look, style it with confidence, and enjoy the compliments that come your way.